Hello and welcome to another Sun and Moon Ultra Prism booster pack. Got these from Toys R Us. I checked the video before for the pack battle against John. Yeah, one of the artworks, probably my favourite artwork, the Leafeon. I'll probably be getting a Elite Trainer box or blister very soon. You can't see the back of the pack because they put these do not steal barcode things here. Try and get into the actual pack. Darkness Energy. Cranidos. Alone Ductrio. Escape Board. Lickitung, Carnivine, Glamrow, Meow, Drifloon, Alolan Sandshrew, Lucario, and that is a reverse holo rare. And final card is a Dark Main Necrozma GX. Pretty random because it was a green code, and usually that means it's a rubbish pack. But yeah, check out this. 190 HP, Steel type, Ultra Beast, Claw Slash 60, Meteor Tempest 220, Sun Eclipse GX 220. This attack can all be used once in the game. And this is Sun and Moon 90 out of 156 plus the secret rares, so say about maybe 170. Yeah, great pull. And if you'd like to show your support for this channel, subscribe below, leave a comment, give it a good old thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.